Hello everybody, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to be unboxing the latest and greatest Speed Cube. Magic turned the cube. I'm not quite sure what brand it is. Oh, it's by Cube World. But I heard it's the latest and greatest Speed Cube. I guess I don't really need to unbox it because the box is opening by itself. But yeah, it was $5, which is actually pretty affordable for these days. Pretty fancy packaging, as you can see. There's a clear little bit of plastic here for you to be able to see the cube while it's still inside its box. Very nice. Anyways, looking at the cube itself, it looks pretty good. They're like weird white bits sticking out of the cube. I'm not quite sure what it is, but I think it'll go away with a bit of break-in.
No, but seriously, what is this white stuff?
Anyways, it appears that the color scheme is wrong. If we compare this to a normal cube, yeah. But I think that's okay. I'll be able to adapt pretty quickly. The sticker shades look pretty good. Ooh, turning I feel quite nice as well. Very sandy out of the box. I think that'll go away with a bit of break-in. This cube's left a bunch of plastic white bits on my desk. I'm not sure if that's a good thing, and it's all over my hands as well. But that's okay. Looking at the sticker quality, it's pretty good. Not the most in center, but I'd say it's pretty decent still. It's also got black bits everywhere. Yeah. Looking under the center cap, if you could take one off. Nearly broke my finger now, but it's fine. We just have a standard screw here. I'm not sure where the spring adjustment is, because it's the latest greatest technology. Maybe it's hidden somewhere in there. It's so good that the technology is so great that it's extremely space efficient. Look how much space is inside the center cap. You can probably chuck back some extra magnets like the Volcolite. Anyways, it's a bit scratched, but I think it's okay. Good enough. Anyways, well, technically not first turns because I did the checkerboard pattern, but let's try some algorithms. It's pretty good. Some figure tricks I'm just not used to yet on this cube. Yeah, there's JPEG. If we try see how many U's we can do with one flick. That's about half a U. That's pretty good. I know some GAN cubes could do U6s, but I think half is pretty good still. I don't like fast cubes anyways. If you want to listen to the sound of the cube, let me bring the microphone closer. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, I like the crispiness to the turning. Anyways, we're now going to do a solve. Get the packaging out the way. We're now going to scramble it up, and yeah. I actually forgot to test corner cutting. Not the best, but I don't need corner cutting anyways. I think I'm a pretty accurate turner. Anyways, yeah, let's just get on with the solve. I've been practicing some sliding recently. Hopefully this will get me a new PB, along with this brand new cube. I did not do that on purpose. One minute 22, that's not too bad. I average around 10. Yeah, I think with a bit of lube, I think this will perform a bit better. Let's add some right now. I found some Lubrical 1, the most useless lube that I have. I don't really use it that much, so I guess we can try it on this cube, and I think I might loosen it a few turns. Alright, it's about like 3 drops. And we're going to have a screwdriver, get the timer out of the way. And we'll loosen it a few turns. Maybe that'll improve the performance a little bit. Hey guys, it's a brand new day. Just got back from the hospital. I lost 2 of my fingernails. But anyways, now I think it's time to loosen this cube. We'll try half a turn for now, and we'll just see what happens afterwards. Okay. Pretty good. I think that's about right. I'm just gonna break in the lube a bit. Test some corner cutting now. Ooh, that's significantly improved. Oh goodness. That wasn't supposed to happen. Maybe we should tighten it back again. But yep, just gotta break in the lube a little, and yeah. Okay, this feels a ton better than before. I cannot wait to do another solve on this and see how fast I get it. Oh, that's a bit of an improvement, 20 seconds. At the rate I'm improving right now, my next solve is going to be negative 40 seconds, I can't wait. But anyways, I think very promising cube's got a lot of promise. Yeah. Yeah. You can have a quick look at the brand new mechanism. Yeah, very high tech, very modern, and yeah. Compares to the latest and greatest speed cubes. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you next time on the Gurneys channel. Have a good day. Goodbye.